Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Joy and you're welcome to Joy Be Naturals. If today is the first time of watching my video, please kindly hit that subscribe button and also don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and also turn on your post notification bell so that each time I upload a video you'll be notified. So in today's video I'm going to be stretching my hair. Like I'm trying to do a length check and I decided to stretch my hair using the African threading method, but this is different because I'm going to be using a rubber thread, and also there are some things that I did wrong in the last time I did my blowouts using the African threading method. I did some things that I shouldn't have done and I lost a lot of hair. Like guys, I lost a lot of hair, so I have kind of corrected myself, and also I discovered where I went wrong, and so I'm going to be taking those corrective measures in today's video, and I'll be sharing with you also some few tips that has helped me so far. Like you guys must have seen in my posts that my hair is 2 years, like it's 2 years post big chop, since I did my big chop in 2020 up to now, September 2020, and September this year it's making 2 years I did my big chop. So this is what I'm talking about. I'm going to be using this rubber thread. Like in this part of the world where I come from, in Nigeria to be precise, this is what we used to make our hair while growing up. I remember back then in high school, this is what I used to make. Like everybody knows that this is a common style that you make as a young teenager at that time. So I have some pictures of this style. I'm going to see if I can put it up on your screen of when I did it last as a teenager. So this is a common style here. Everybody knows this particular thread was what we used back then, even before the wool and the other type of threads started coming out. But I kind of left this for a long time. I've not been using this type of thread. I've been using the wool, but I discovered during the time I did my first African threading, I have a video of that on my channel. You can go check that. I lost a lot of hair because the wool I used, of course, wool is kind of like a cotton material, something like that. So it sucked up all the moisture that I put into my hair while threading it. I've been using wool. That was not my first time, but I did not notice that using wool, especially when you want to do a blowout, could be very, very detrimental because it dries out your hair. And I was supposed to moisturize it again before going in with my comb to kind of stretch out my hair, but I did not do that, so I lost a lot of hair, guys. I lost a lot of hair. That was my major setback this year, and I promised myself that I was going to do better, and so I decided to go back to the basics. This is the thread we're known for. This is rubber, so it's not going to dry your hair of the moisture you put in because it's rubber. It's actually rubber thread. It's even slippery. As I was threading this hair, it was kind of slippery because of the product I put, and I try as much as possible to moisturize my hair properly, before putting in this thread. And as you can see, this is how it's looking, and I also make sure that it's not tight. This hairstyle must not be tight. If you can see, the roots of my hair are very loose, so that is what I did. And I also oil my scalp. So by the time I'll be taking this down, I'm also going to share with you also a few tips that has helped me to better understand how to do an African threading without losing your hair. Like guys, it can be frustrating because you leave this in your hair for a few days, and by the time you're taking it down, your hair is very dry and if you just go in with a comb, you're going to be ripping your hair out and you will lose a lot of hair. So I'm going to share that in another video, what I did better. This is just me showing you guys why I decided to do another African threading and why I'm using this rubber thread that is old school, like very old school. I'll see you guys in my next video where I'll be taking this down and doing a length check. Like guys, I'm going to be doing a length check, my 2 years post big chop length check. So I hope that you're going to watch that video, but please give this video a like. Also subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so. So this is how I'm going to be carrying this style until I'm set to take it down. I don't know, maybe I'll be carrying this style for maybe 4 days or a week. And as you can see guys, something I'm doing here, I'm trying to make sure there's no pressure, there's no tension, I mean, anywhere around my hair, just bringing it out to make sure it's not tight. This is a very loose hairstyle. So till I come your way in my next video where I'll be taking this down and showing you the length of my hair after 2 years. Thank you guys for watching and bye for now.